Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the speaker test in the Poco X3 device. As you can see here, so the loudspeaker in the Poco X3 is very good, which has got the stereo or speaker setup, one on the top and one is in the bottom. So in this video, I'll be playing the some sample audio file, and you'll get to know how is the loudspeaker quality and what are the things you need to know before buying the device. And my upcoming videos on the Poco X3 will be on the battery draining while playing the PUBG game and other battery draining things about the Poco X3. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. And these are my recently uploaded videos on the Poco X3 smartphone as well. So make sure to check the playlist of the Poco X3 so that you can get to know more details about the Poco X3 phone, whether to buy the phone or not. So let's get started with the audio file testing in this device. As you can see the variant of what I'm using currently here. So I got the loudspeaker meter here. So in the next videos, maybe I'll try to compare the loudspeaker test versus Poco X2. So it is a Poco X2 smartphone. So Poco X2 versus Poco X3 in terms of loudspeaker. So even I'll try to compare the dual stereo speaker setup which is present in the Realme X2 Pro as well. So Realme X2 Pro dual speakers versus Poco X3 dual speakers. So those are my upcoming videos. So make sure to follow me so you will not miss any of the videos. So let's get started. This audio file which I selected. So right now I'll be playing this audio file starting from zero volume. So you'll get to know how is the volume is increasing gradually. And the placement of the loudspeaker is in the bottom ear, as you can see here. So and here is the top facing speaker as well. Let me try to focus properly. As you can see here, the top there is some small gap here. Through this gap you'll get the volume as well, loudspeaker volume. So that's another good advantage. So now let me try to play the song here. So here I got the speed meter ready. So let me try to play the sound and increase the volume gradually so you'll understand easily. So one thing is that friends, the bottom facing speaker is slightly as a loud more volume than the top one. So that is what I noticed when I keep the speed meter in the bottom and the sound meter in the top as well. So when I kept the sound meter bottom and top, I felt the bottom volume has been a little bit more than the top loudspeaker. So one more thing is that when you play the volume at full volume, so then the back will be slightly vibration. So it will get you'll feel some kind of vibration going on in the back panel, so near this area, as you can see. So this is what I did notice while playing this volume at high. So this vibration can happen sometimes, so which will be a little bit irritating for few people. So this is another thing you need to know in terms of loudspeaker test. So I did use the other smartphones which are having the dual loudspeaker setup, for example in the Realme X2 Pro. So those phones and even OnePlus 7 Pro, so I did not face this kind of vibration in the backside a lot. So there's little bit of vibration but you will not feel. But actually in the Poco X3 I can actually feel the vibrations in the backside when I am playing in the full volume. So that's it for this quick loudspeaker test in the Poco X3 device. In case if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using, do check the links in description for the live wallpaper playlist videos. And thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.